In today's video, I'm putting together this easy chicken casserole using canned chicken for those nights when you just need a quick supper on the table. Let's get started. We've got our little bit of oil right here. We probably have about 2 tablespoons in this little pot. We're going to make us some homemade cream of chicken soup. Now we got that heating up. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of flour. And we're going to give that a mix. And now to that, we're going to add about a teaspoon of chicken bouillon. I'm going to add roughly a cup of water. Some black pepper. And salt. And we're going to give that a mix. Now whenever making casseroles, you can do it this way and you don't have to have those cans of cream of chicken soup. You're sort of making your own roux to make your own cream of chicken soup. So we're going to let that sit back there and start simmering and thicken up a little. Now for the chicken, we're going to do it the easy way tonight. I don't want to cut on my oven to have to cook some chicken. We're just using 2 cans of this chicken from Costco. We're going to add our chicken straight to the skillet. This one I left just a tiny bit of the juice out of the chicken. We're going to take this and we're going to chop up our chicken just a little. I don't want to chop it up real fine because I do still want the bite-sized pieces in it. To that, we're going to add a half a cup of green English peas, a half a cup of canned corn, a little small can of mushrooms. Now most people probably won't add that, but we like it in our chicken casserole, so we're going to go with it. We're going to add around a half a cup of heavy cream. We're going to be putting in about a tablespoon of butter. Now I'm just going to let this simmer and start coming to a medium-like heat. And now I'm going to add about a teaspoon of parsley, a heaping teaspoon. Now if you want your chicken casserole cheesy, you could add any kind of like sharp cheddar, mozzarella. I've got this little bit of Parmesan, so I'm going to put it inside mine. You can use anything that you really just need to use up. And now we're just going to mix that in. Oh, that cheese smells good, y'all. Now we're going to take our cream of chicken soup that we made. We're going to pour in our mixture. I'm going to let all that come up to a simmer. And now we're going to make our crust for our chicken casserole. We're going to take a stick of butter. We're going to break it in half and only use half. If you're making a real big casserole, you could use the whole stick. We're going to melt this in the microwave. Okay, we've got our butter melted. We're going to add about a teaspoon of this total seasoning. A cup of milk. A cup of all-purpose flour. And now we're going to give that a mix and see how it looks. I don't want it too thick, but I don't want it real runny. Oh yeah, that's what we want right there. We're going to put just a tiny bit of more milk in that. That's how we want it, right there. We're going to set that to the side. We're going to take our mixture we made for our casserole, and we're just going to put it in our dish. We got to get it all out of there. Have any of y'all ever made casseroles like this? When you're trying to save money or you're trying not to heat up your kitchen quite as bad, which I'm still going to have to cut the oven on for a little bit just to bake it. But we're having like a one-pot meal instead of cooking so many different things in this heat. Okay, now that I got all my chicken and my peas and carrots all mixed in and my mushrooms, we're going to take our mixture that we made and we're going to just pour it right over the top. We're going to get it all out of there. Try to smooth it out a little bit, but don't mix it. Don't mix it in, just pour it on the top. Now we're going to put this in the oven and we're going to bake it for about 35 minutes. Okay, let's check our casserole. Y'all just look at that. It's gonna be good. Now see how that recipe for the top don't give you a lot of bread, just a little. I don't like mine fully topped with all that bread. But it's gonna be good. I hope y'all give this quick little casserole a try using canned chicken. It don't have to be hard. It can be simple and easy and still be delicious. Thanks for watching. Y'all don't forget to hit the like button, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe if you hadn't. And like always, happy cooking.